Hi, I'm Charles Hatley with Melone Hatley PC, where we truly are your partner through the divorce and estate planning process. We've been getting a lot of calls recently with people questioning what is collaborative divorce. Collaborative divorce very simply is that you and your soon to be ex spouse will be able to sit down and work things out. A collaborative divorce attorney is someone who signs an agreement saying that if they're unable to work out the agreement between you and your ex spouse, that they will not represent you in litigation. So you and your ex-spouse both have a collaborative law attorney. Each collaborative law attorney signs an agreement saying they will not represent you guys in contested litigation. And then they undertake the idea of trying to sit down and work out an agreement between all four of you, right? Because the attorneys are involved and you and your soon to be ex spouse are involved. This sounds really good, but the reality is any attorney can help you with a collaborative style divorce. Often what we see is that when we're going through the litigation process, we are able to sit down and still come to agreements. So each side will still have an attorney. We'll work with a mediator who's usually a third party who's a judge or a very, very seasoned attorney who will help us make decisions. They will say, look, we need to work on spousal support or child support. And the mediator will kind of give the parties an idea of like, well, this is what's reasonable in spousal support and child support. The difference between a collaborative law attorney and an attorney like us here at Melone Hatley PC is if the mediation breaks down, you don't have to go hire a new attorney if you work with us. We're not going to sign an agreement saying that we won't litigate your case. And for me, I personally believe that's better. As you're going through a divorce, it's important that your relationship with your attorney is preserved. You don't want to have to start working towards a collaborative agreement, find out that the other side is unwilling to cooperate, and then have to fire your attorney and start all over again because that significantly increases the amount of time that you'll spend and increases the cost. The reality with collaborative divorce is a lot of people like to bill it as being a cheaper alternative to the divorce process, to the litigated divorce process. But what we've seen working with clients is it generally is not. We spoke to a client the other day who had already spent $50,000 on a collaborative divorce and had gotten nowhere with the case, which really wasn't surprising because collaborative divorce is negotiation, and without the threat of litigation, the other side really had no reason to negotiate, and so they were purposely just making things take longer. So one of the important things to remember is in collaborative divorce, you haven't filed anything yet. So if there are certain elements of your divorce, like a retirement account or spousal support or child support that needs a filing to freeze the time in which those assets are going to be divided from, the collaborative divorce doesn't get you there, only if you come to an agreement. So if you or someone has questions about collaborative divorce, regular divorce, can a normal divorce attorney actually help you with mediation? Of course. Can a collaborative divorce attorney help you in litigation? No, because they literally signed an agreement saying they're not going to. So you give us a call. See the difference a partner will make for you in your case. Thank you.